In this video, I'll detail how to disable autoplay videos on Telegram. So if you're surfing Telegram and all the videos you have automatically play or auto download, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily put an end to video autoplay on your Telegram account. So if you don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is open the Telegram app, click on three lines at top left and then select settings. Once you select settings, just scroll down and click on chat, that is it, and click on chat settings. Then scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to animations and click on that. Then locate animations and then scroll down to power saving option, locate autoplay videos and turn this off. So that is going to turn off autoplay videos on your Telegram account, whether you enable power saving mode or not. But if you enable power saving mode, this is going to automatically turn on and turn off autoplay videos on your Telegram account. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.